In fact, noticed by I think 2-3 days ago, say Papa Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia, I don't filing nomination. I'm primitive so ebe sre Ghana for ne ahwefo a ombenya ho say the kwan wo ho dia obiara ntinimba no be support the kwan ni ho so dia mama usuro the Papa Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia be polling station places electoral area and a constituency any more be din komo na ene 8 o'clock na udu MPP head officer na akwako yeminya ni panyi adintia mpaya omobo say Papa Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia and never filing the form no ampaya no abim nti young youth organizers are na me campaign before no one go form e ma no 490 youth organizers e go form e de my Papa Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia no ya wo a na mi ji e Papa e di cia yo a ene wa be filing nomination no
okay
campaign before e ba honom from police station executive to electoral area coordinator to former MPs, former NMDC, current MPs, party rank and file, be bia na nkofo. Nti adia ni asoyie pa. Mo ko figi so na men do masse. Obi biara fa mre na obaye, obe show love e de che Papa Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia. Ne ye mame Saviria Bawumia. Medase.
Okay, but you had said, sir, a crowd na ba ho no. It was very organic. It wasn't artificial. But there's an allegation being made by the chairman of the Tema West constituency of the New Patriotic Party, Aye Urakwesi Poku, that Obi Bia Oba Hobiano, more than 100 Ghana cedis. Sasamwe, no creben pane womo.
Now, Osha crowd by here, sending women a crowd thousands in the thousands. Na say yemia poku ka say ye mo bia 100 Ghana cedis. Let's just say ye was kapa. Let's just say ye was kapa we nya di bia metre say ye de ye ni be koso. Unusual propaganda, unusual said intro ni na nyan dem man eka. E bia na abono
because he says say on the constituency for no nyina no ye mo bia 100. He is speaking on authority.
Yo, na okasa me akasa for me constituency as kind of south. Na makasa for other electoral constituencies are the boy here with
Obing. He is the chairman of the Tema West constituency of the New Patriotic Party, and he's speaking on authority that member bia wo free ho ebe dwumadi na ase in the name of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was given 100 Ghana cedis. And you had also made mention of that.
Utini beside say you can hear the same as the chairman and I.
Na sa me bisa. What?
You can hear the man. This is their usual rhetoric and their usual propaganda. Yes, Monsieur Pan.
Unless chairman kunu any control constituency. Text messages ni by Momo agent or constituency organizer. So party for the chairman here ko here dey wo be saying. My friend was also some Momo me say I Momo me some 100 overnight.
No, but Minya Prof.
Yeah.
The organization of the party, a youth organizers and mobilizing. Tomorrow ground. What chairman mobilization then our ground? Anything I need this out there. Their usual propaganda and their usual said life, no? Everything all kind of.
Did I say
he's overwhelmed? Okay, he's overwhelmed by the crowd nearby and I've not been almost here. I don't think your allegation.
There is a crowd we are not going to go. You see? Where as a party ending the grammar who say on the abasing conference I going to 41 say ya you better the grammar and candidate ba musi embassy and you going to 41 say ya
chairman me call grounds me wo ho bisa consensus chairman na o kasa say was he at the grounds and only on the
issue is not about Obi Bayana, Obi Amba. I am telling you my constituency. People are giving money. So if you say you don't know, say you don't know. I am telling you my constituency. Does he want that?
Their usual probably they are shocked and they are overwhelmed by the number.
Shocked what? Shocked. Yes, Master, Ghanaians are fed up with this person. When we are going for the 2024 election, you know what? We were bouncing people, we had all the crowd, but we got 41, Abi. So who says who says this one bring vote? Who says so?
I don't know why a chairman is heading to the usual propaganda. I mean, the propaganda of
what do you call propaganda?
But in the usual.
No, see, we can look at this and say the organization. This thing you can say the organization was good, but it was not for free. That's what I'm saying. It was not free.
But chairman, so if it is not for free, now okay, South, there were Obi or Hanoma on one castle in the back of the Sion. Say with the mobilization, made back on Abua because of Dr. Lad Mahmoud Bawumia. What is the issue with it?
Okay, so I complain about that.
As a chairman of your constituency, have you taken your personal money to support the party before?
You see, you are comparing apples to mangoes. What I said, my youth commander, what I'm saying is not what you are saying. What I'm saying is not what you are saying.
So tell me what you are saying, because what you are doing is allegation. First of all, you can't.
I am saying it on authority.
He says that he is saying it on authority, and for that matter, he can prove say there is somebody in his constituency. Your man 100 Ghana cedis say Womra.
Okay. And the one that the man of
mobilization.
Okay, so you hold the line. You hold the line for me. You hold the line for me. Mr. Kwesibu, let me ask you. Why not discuss 100 cedis no Edema Nipano?
You know what? And after Kennedy Adieno, it was on all platforms and coordinated platform in my constituency. Anybody who wants to go, a contact number is to talk to the person. And then 100 Ghana will be given to you. They call the chairman to find us a chairman. Program where you go. We are party for. So what are you talking?
Wow.
What is he talking about?
So, Prof.
Yes.
If the intention is to give everybody that comes 100 Ghana cedis, okay, don't you think, sir, there would have been planning? Say, okay, for this constituency, you go for 50, 100, 100, 200, and then a budget will be allocated. But the fact that there is a general notice on all platforms tells you that the camp of Bawumia cannot estimate and cannot project number of people ever. For which reason, other can say, they discover who on say, you see, this usual lies and this usual propaganda is something that I expect the chairman to stop. When an necessary party, mobilization and getting party people to support the candidate is something like that. Yes, please.
No, you see, some of the things
you know better.
Some of these things. You know what?
The money comes from Dr. Lad. You couldn't answer.
I grow no any form. Nyama where they are the Korean. When we're campaigning, instead of allowing organic thing to go, we're passing. I want for 1% and so you need to come and say,
Chairman, any 41% to look out be. Mr. Kaubi. I 1% to know if
because my dad was at the county. And this is
now you're the year, and your presidential candidate near Geneva, and I issue the father.
Abi wanted to do this argument. Let's make time and come. Look at the parliamentary vote and the presidential. The parliamentary vote was more than the presidential. It means the candidate was not good. Please, what I say?
This total fallacy. Domi Kwabenya, we have never lost the seat before. For the first time, we lost the seat over there. I say this is as a result of Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. When me and you, we know that there were problems with. When me and you, we know that there were problems with the candidates.
Yes. After losing, let's compare. Look, go to Okobo's place. Okobo lost by 11,000. The candidate lost by 31,000.
All right. Okay. I think we have to end.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia about constituency. No problem. There was constituency between former executive and current executive. Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia talk about.
Did I say that?
Come on, let's take responsibility.
No. Did I say that?
Responsibility and make sure say.
And then you don't know. Myself and my candidate, we are the only people who have accepted.
All right. Okay. So I think we'd have to end.
It's allowed.
All right. So Abeng, thank you so much for speaking to us. We are going to be right back after this break.